Just look at this beauty. A flavorful, sweet, and savory dish that's not only dairy-free and oil-free, but also keto-friendly. Packed with fiber and plant-based goodness, this quiche will keep you full and satisfied for hours, without any guilt. Let's dive right in. First, let's take beans. For the recipe, we will take half a cup of each kidney beans, pinto beans, and chickpea. Soak them overnight. Cook them in a covert pot or better in an instant pot or cooker. First, we start with our base, sweet potatoes. Peel and slice them into thin rounds. While you could use regular potatoes, sweet potatoes bring a natural sweetness and extra nutrition to this dish. These will form the crust of our quiche. Arrange the slices in a single layer, ensuring they overlap slightly to create a solid base. Now, season with freshly cracked black pepper and salt for that extra depth of flavor. Into the oven it goes. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 20 minutes until they start softening and turning golden. While that's baking, let's prepare our hearty, protein-packed filling. In a pan, sauté 1 small chopped onion over medium heat for about a minute or 2. Now it's time for our greens. Add fresh, washed spinach and cook on high for a minute before lowering the heat and cooking for another 2 minutes. Spinach is an incredible superfood, low in calories but packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Season with black pepper and salt, then set it aside. Now, onto our rich and creamy bean puree. We're using 3 types of beans: kidney beans, pinto beans, and chickpeas, soaked overnight and cooked in an instant pot for the best texture. In a blender, add 1/2 cup of each cooked bean, along with half a jalapeno for a mild kick, 1 tablespoon curry powder for warmth, 2 garlic cloves for depth, 1 tablespoon lemon zest for brightness, salt to taste, 1/2 cup dairy-free milk, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to bind everything together. Blend until you get a thick and creamy consistency. This mix is not only protein-rich, but also incredibly satisfying. Now let's fold in our sautéed spinach, blending all these delicious flavors together. After 20 minutes, take the sweet potato base out of the oven. It's beautifully softened and ready for our filling. Spread the bean and spinach mixture evenly over the sweet potato crust. This is where all the goodness comes together. Sweet potatoes, fiber-rich beans, and nutrient-dense spinach, making every bite wholesome and satisfying. Now, bake again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes or until the top turns beautifully golden brown. Once done, let it cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. This step is crucial. It helps the quiche set, making it easier to serve. This quiche is a perfect low-carb, high-fiber meal, great for anyone following a keto-friendly or plant-based lifestyle. Plus, the combination of sweet potatoes, beans, and spinach is downright addicting. Try this delicious, healthy, and guilt-free quiche, and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and nutritious recipes. See you in the next one.